Hey, stop, you are already ready. I've waited 4 years of my life to start making content. 4 freaking years. I kept telling myself, not yet, I'm not ready. I need to learn more. I need to be perfect. But guess what? That ready moment never came. And it won't for you either. I watched hundreds of tutorials on video editing, motion graphics, designing, copywriting, just so I could do everything on my own. From script writing to editing. I thought that's what it meant to be ready. But in reality, I was just hiding behind the preparation. I wanted every single video, every graphics, every piece of code to be pixel perfect. Because professionalism, right? The perfection has a cost, and that cost is progress. You burn out, you procrastinate, and most of all, you miss the magic of starting messy. The real game, it's not about waiting. It's about playing as you go. Being ready is a myth. You get ready by doing, not by planning. You get sharp by showing up, not by starting in silence. So no matter what you have right now, where you are, what gears or skills you have, just start. Start messy, start scared, start unsure, but start. Because the biggest project of your life won't wait for you to be fully ready. If this hit you even a little, subscribe or don't. Just promise me this. You'll stop preparing endlessly and you'll finally begin.